Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and today we have a dope video for you guys, me shredding a Harley. I'm gonna talk for a little, but just skip to 1 minute if you don't want to hear me talk. But this Harley, man, this was my third time ever riding a Harley. I think I rode an 883 and maybe a 1200 somewhere before. But the one I was on in this video was a 1400 Dyna Harley. And these bikes, when I tell you they're big boys, it's like wheeling a couch. Like it's a big ass bike. Like this thing is no joke. Looping these bikes, it just, I don't know, I don't even want to think about it. All that weight like falling on you, it would not be fun. But enjoy this video, shredding a Dyna 1400cc Harley. First time ever riding one of these bikes, and after I rode it, I was like, dude, I need one. I want one of these Harleys, just the way they sound, the way they feel, the vibrations, and like, I don't know, it just looks so flippin' dope. So, yeah. We got the freaking Supermoto out there, all my other bikes right here. But yeah, enjoy this video. Sorry I was talking so much. Yeah, let's get it.
Down, just give it gas.
Okay. Nah, I got you, Oh boy. Alright, we're about to ride a Harley. It's a 1400. Homie is blessing me. Oh my! Bro, I got you. Hey, say something. Shout yourself out.
No, my name's Hunter. I let him ride it.
Yo! What gear? First? Oh my! Oh boy! Hey, turn the well, it's off now. Well, I'm on a Harley right now, bro. This thing is so hot. Holy crap. I already burnt myself. Oh my gosh, we're doing it. Let's go! This is crazy! I burnt myself! Let's go! Crazy! Oh my gosh! This is crazy! This got my heart beating. Let's go. Hey, one more, I'll bring it back. Bro, I feel like a Harley rider. Like, this is me. Just cruising, you know, vibing. This is amazing. Sorry I can't talk while I do the wheel skis. I'm like shaking.
Now my man's gotta get a Harley.
How do I turn it off? I burnt myself, but
It gets bad.
My man's got the shakes, bro.
oh my god, bro. Bro, that is insane.
That's your first time riding it?
I rode an 883 once, like a while.
Oh no.
Bro, this is.
This is a junk.
Bro, I can't believe you just hopped on there.
That's a beast. Holy. Woo.
I got the
What is
shakes.
it? Just a Dyna?
You guys are on Cena right now?
Yeah.
Let me connect. Wait, hold on. My shit might be dead. Hold on. My shit died. Woo, let's go. What is up, gang? It's your boy Liz, aka MotoBroo. We out here in New York City. We got 2 sport bikes with us, and we're about to vibe out. Maybe we'll see the pack today. Who knows what's gonna happen? Good old New York City traffic right here. But I can tell you one thing, there are some fine dimes walking around here. We're in the good part of New York City right here. Woo! It's so gnarly just on these roads because like all these little bumps everywhere, you're like boom, 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 flying around. Especially on the DRZ, this tank. Wow, leave the church though. So yeah, today we're just cruising around. Who knows what's gonna happen, bro? We're just gonna vibe out. Oh my god, what happened right there? I have no idea. I did a scrape back there.
I saw it.
And it felt like I hit a bump right when I scraped, and it felt.
You gotta watch the bump.
Bro, it felt so weird. I thought I was gonna loop. It was like.
Yeah. It didn't look like you wanted to go down. You wanna chill somewhere, or you wanna just keep riding?
Let's keep riding, or let's get like. Are you guys hungry or no?
A little bit. Hungry?
Are you hungry? If we can get some food somewhere. If y'all know a spot. Yeah, In-N-Out is trash.
Yeah?
Trash.
In-N-Out is trash.
It's trash. Hey,
In-N-Out is trash.
don't believe the. It's trash. Don't believe the hype.
That's disappointing.
And the fries are even worse, bro. They're fucking plastic. Ah! Bro, I hate being in the back. Bro, we got Brooklyn Bridge. It's a vibe, bro. Sunset, golden hour. Woo. Wow.